Reducing an image size without losing its quality. Is there a best way in Photoshop to reduce the image size without losing its quality? Whenever I reduce the size of the image, it seems like a little blurry and reduces its quality. What should I do in order to retain its quality? Can anyone help me, please?
You cannot avoid losing quality when reducing the size of an image. One can hope only to mitigate the quality loss. When resizing images in Photoshop, the default is to use a softer bicubic sampler. The comment above to use the bicubic sharper would be a good start. It is not, however, always appropriate for all images. Second, I suggest sticking to multiples of the image width and height. For example, if your original image is 1000 x 1000, you should get very acceptable results at 250 by 250, 500 by 500, 750 by 750. 398 by 398, however, is apt to look a bit more blurry. Hope that helps.